Hi friends, this is SB and welcome to my channel SB Future Mindset. So today I am going to tell you about inspiring personality. Because nowadays I am reading some books related to psychology, business, traders, and most important is childhood disorder. So let's come to the topic inspiring people. Inspiring people show their two qualities, they believe in themselves and they believe in others, and they express positivity. And so my favorite personality is Louis Braille. Louis Braille was a French educator and inventor of a reading and writing system for use by the blind, and the system simply known as the uh, mm, Braille. And today blind can read maps in Braille, and computer special computer enable them to work and connect with the online world. And he also created the music codes in Braille, and this helps the blind read music notes and compose a music. So what I have learned from this story means Louis Braille was determined not to let his disability slow him down lit, bit one bit. So means being disabled should not mean being disqualified from having access life to every aspect of life. So means sometime disability or any you know uh, weakness weakness open your eyes to see your true abilities. So people know you for your abilities, not your disability. So means I want to say one thing that I want to ask that what do you mean by जीरो. आपके लिए जीरो का मतलब क्या है? मीन्स मैं अपने आप को जीरो समझती हूँ क्योंकि मेरे लिए जीरो को देखने का नज़रिया एक अलग है. मीन्स जीरो का मतलब ये नहीं है कि मेरे को कुछ नहीं आता, मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकती. ज़ीरो का मतलब है कि मेरे अंदर जो भी नेगेटिविटी है, जो भी नेगेटिव फीलिंग है या जो भी मुझे नेगेटिव फील करा रहा है, तो मुझे उस चीज़ को ख़त्म करना, उस चीज़ को मुझे ज़ीरो करना है. तो आपके लिए उसका ज़ीरो का मतलब क्या है, यू शुड नो अबाउट दैट. मेरे लिए ज़ीरो का मतलब यही है कि मुझे एक्चुअली सबके अंदर ही कोई ना कोई, मतलब सबके अंदर एक ना एक रावण होता है जिसको हमें कंट्रोल करके रखना पड़ता है. कभी वो हमारे गुस्से के रूप में निकलता है, कभी किसी और वे में निकलता है. तो उस चीज़ को हमें बैलेंस रखना पड़ता है. तो मैं उस चीज़ को ज़ीरो कहूँगी कि मुझे अपनी नेगेटिविटी ख़त्म करनी है. दैट्स द मीनिंग ऑफ ज़ीरो फॉर मी. So now I am going to read about Elon Musk. So tell me about what do you know about Elon Musk, and comment below. And tell me one thing who inspires you, and don't be hesitant. Express yourself and who you are. Express yourself and solve your problem. And because before making this video I was also feeling hesitation, but I did it because of my mentor Deepak sir. And yes, and if you want to know about internship program, and then also tell you about my internship program after that. Okay, so थैंक यू, टाटा, बाय बाय। फिर मिलते हैं, कुछ आपकी सुनते हैं, कुछ अपनी कहते हैं। ओके।